Welcome to qnawire.
In problem 15, we're going to be comparing the particulate matter in micrograms per cubic meter for a sample of that large cities on 3 continents. The continents are Asia, Europe, and North America. So at the 0.10 level of significance, we're going to test whether there's a difference in the mean particulate matter among these continents. So since we have 3 different groups or 3 continents, we're going to have the null hypothesis as mu1 equals mu2 equals mu3. And the alternative hypothesis will be at least one mean is different from the others. Next, we're going to find the critical value, and to do so, we can run the analysis of variance through Excel. So you press on data and data analysis, then another single factor, then OK. And the data should be selected for Asia, Europe, and North America. Then the level of significance should be changed to 0.1. That's alpha, so that we can get the right critical value. And for output, we can place our data, the results here. Then after that, you press OK. And now that we've done that, we can find the critical value here. That's 2.64 is the critical value. And the test value is the calculated value of f, which is obtained from dividing the mean square for factor by the mean square for error. And in this case, it is 14.9. That's the calculated value of f. Okay, so this implies that because the test value is much greater than the critical value, it is within the critical region. And since the calculated value of f is within the critical region, we can make the decision to reject null hypothesis. And this leads to the conclusion that there is enough evidence to support the claim that at least one mean is different from the others. So in our context, we can conclude and say that at least one mean of the particulate matter in micrograms per cubic meter for the large cities is different. So the city in which one lives, it has an effect on the particulate nature in micrograms per cubic meter. So you can say that the means are significantly different.